Be honest. You've spent more time learning what ICT really means than actually getting better at trading.
Order blocks, fair value gaps, 15 names for the same line, and your account still looks the same. Here's the part nobody says. Most of that complexity isn't making you trade better. It's making you feel smarter while you keep losing.
Complexity is comfortable. It gives you an identity. I study the real stuff, and a reason the loss isn't your fault yet.
It's not a strategy. It's a really expensive permission slip to stay lost a little longer.
So before you buy the next course on the next secret concept, stop. Let me give you one question that cuts through all of it.
For every tool, every concept, ask one thing. Did this make me decide better, or did it just make me feel smarter? Most advanced concepts fail that test. They add steps, not clarity. And every extra step is one more place to freeze, doubt, and override your own plan. Real edge is usually boring. A handful of rules you actually follow beats 100 concepts you half understand.
If someone can't explain their edge simply, that's not because it's too deep for you. It's because complexity is the product they're selling.
The market doesn't pay you for knowing more words. It pays you for surviving, through rules simple enough to hold when it hurts. So here's what I actually do, and it's almost embarrassingly simple. I don't chase one perfect concept. I run a few simple, tested rules together. Each one is boring on its own. As a portfolio, they cover each other, so I'm not betting everything on being right about the latest theory. If you want to build that yourself, great. Start simple, on demo. Or you can use what I run. Do It Multi-Strategy Pro. 8 tested strategies working as one portfolio.
It's not a magic concept, and it won't win every month. It just survives. The market, the bad runs, and me. That's the whole point. Stop collecting concepts. Start building something that holds. The link's in the description. But real question first. Could you explain your whole strategy to a beginner in 2 lines? Drop it in the comments.